Hello and welcome to Voice of Kissidom TV. Statistics alone don't begin the pilot cartographic mapping exercise na Kisiten Chiefdom Kailam District as a way for prepare themselves for the 2026 population and housing census. Samuel and Smana na the Director for Communication and Public Relations na Statistics alone and even tell me more.
Process for the cartographic mapping na a situation whereby the people in the come na Kisiten Chiefdom, yeah, and then talk to the respective householding, map the householding, check for see the number of people within their householding day, and also check for see the house structure. All right. Then at the end of the day, we people then go end up for map them with respective host and day, and then go able for use now as a basis for the actual census we do next year. So basically the pilot cartography, the situation where we can test all the instrument, then we test the questionnaire, we test communication, we test every other thing, for ensure see every other thing we go for use for the pilot cartography actually they in place. So basically not only we actually do for the pilot cartography. Pilot cartography in very simple terms now a situation where you do a test of the actual cartography. Cartographic mapping now a situation, as I say, where you the map the country into small bits of enumeration area where not only you use now at the end of the day as a basis for making conduct the census. So you con the host then con the structure in the household then where the people where they eat at the same pot between 80 to 120 household, where you get 80 to 120 household when at the threshold you map them as one enumeration area. Every 80 to 120 household you get you map as one enumeration area. At the end of the day, you now use that day as a basis for make you send enumerators for go count today. So for example, if you get a place where how they call them, if you get a place where you get 80 to 120 household, you can now send one enumerator they will go and go count at the place. So basically na that day na the process for the cartographic mapping. The reason make we choose Kisiten Chiefdom now because we they do this pilot cartographic mapping now hard to reach areas, easy to reach areas, and also disputed area boundary areas. And Kisiten now one of the disputed boundary areas, and I make we actually do this cartographic mapping for see how the process will look like, the challenges we will get there, and how we can able to surmount them challenges and day. And I make we actually can Kisiten Chiefdom for do this pilot cartography.
My family, for sake of the good work where statistics salon they do, we all for help share this message here concerning what this process here so way they don't undertake. Mina Tama James from Voice of Kissidom TV.